Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making a copycat Texas Roadhouse seasoned rice recipe. You ever crave something and then go searching for copycat recipes, or is it just me? I found a couple of posts and videos and they all seem to use the same recipe. Well, just about the same recipe, so I decided to give it a try. And stay tuned until the end to see what I paired it with. Also, I'll have everything listed in the description box. You want to first add your butter, and then once that's almost fully melted, you want to add your rice. And then we want to cook that for about 6 to 8 minutes until the color starts to change. And then we're going to go in with our onions. As you can see, this recipe calls for a lot of stirring, so it's not one of those set it and forget it. You know, you can't just leave it. So just keep that in mind. I'm not going to do too much talking because, like I said, I'll have the measurements and the directions in the description box, so be sure to check. I mean, can't you just tell how flavorful it is just by looking at it? And then after it comes to a boil, you can reduce the heat, cover it, and let it cook until the water is almost evaporated. Once you see that it's almost evaporated, you can remove it from the heat and let it sit just for a couple minutes and then enjoy. What a beautiful sight. Just look at that. Now, guys, the only thing that I would say that I would do differently is add just a tad less of the soy sauce. In my opinion, a half a cup was just too much. However, I will definitely be making it again and again and again. I paired it with some broccoli. I wish I had broccolini because just there is a difference. And just a piece of wild-caught salmon. And yeah, it was delicious. Thanks for watching, guys.